It is so nice out today. That's because here in Rochester, winter is pretty much just getting over here on May. I think it's like the 16th today. But it's sunny and 60, and we're shooting a music video today. And I brought my assistant with me today. You ready to help, dude?
Yeah.
I'm not going to show you inside my trunk. It's kind of messy. But I will show you what we're shooting with today. So I'm actually shooting this vlog with the new Fuji X-T4, and I'm shooting today's music video with the X-T3. We have the Sigma 18-35 with the Fringer adapter, and got my DJI Ronin S with the Atomos Shinobi monitor and some new small rig handles. We're gonna throw a 360 camera even here on the side. And the reason why I'm shooting it with the X-T3 and not the X-T4 is just because there are a few different things on this X-T4. I've been shooting with it this last week. I'm so comfortable with the X-T3, so I don't want to make any mistakes today. Also, believe it or not, the X-T4 is not set up to work with the Ronin S or the Ronin SC. So that's also why we're using the X-T3. But this is my first music video, and I'm really excited. And I don't know if I said who it's for, but it's for my friend Ian. He does hip hop, and he's really good at it. And somewhere in this, I'm gonna throw up his Instagram handle. Go check him out. I'll put a link down below to this song. If you love supporting creative artists, you gotta check him out. Should I tie my shoes?
Yeah. Tie them.
All right.
Tie them.
And my coffee. You ready?
Yep.
Go.
Is that the waterfall?
Yeah.
I am here with my dad, and he's actually filming a music video for his friend Ian, and we're still practicing, and it's just funny. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna film it.
You're fine. Good to go. And I'm recording.
Don't tell them that this is my life. I don't give a damn, tell them this my life. Short a couple grams, but I don't think twice. Cause I'm trying to be the best, so get shots like Mike, yeah. Hop off the train.
Well, I kind of like
how then I go off because
Yeah.
I'm falling, but you can't tell.
it's like a good transition.
It's my life.
Time
I
out.
don't give a damn, tell them this my life.
All right, bud.
Short a couple grams, but I don't.
You all right? Try to be behind me.
Okay.
So for this shot, just go a little bit over there, a little bit more by that drain.
Although I'll let you be in the video later if you want when we're in the subway. When you're an indie artist, it
This
doesn't
is
matter what your
Wow.
budget is and videographers experience.
So we just finished shooting some of the first verse here in this parking lot, but I'm going to introduce you to Ian. This is his song. So Ian, what's the name of the song? Kind of like,
Yeah,
when's
bro.
it coming out and what gave you some
So
inspiration?
Brooklyn Heights, the song is going to come out May 29th. The video is either going to come out the same day or the following Friday. I'm still kind of working out some of the details with it, but yeah, the whole idea of Brooklyn Heights, I took about a 5-month break from music back at the end of December, and I went to New York City a couple weeks ago, right when coronavirus was about to break out.
Yeah.
And there's this bench actually right by like the Statue of Liberty over there near Battery Park.
Oh
And
yeah, I love that place.
I know the bench because it's got like a name on it, so I like take pictures of it so I don't forget it. I've literally written like 3 of my top 5 songs, like view-wise, on the same bench at different trips to New York and Brooklyn.
Really?
And so the whole inspiration was, you know, just like I went there and I didn't really know what to talk about, so I kind of just talked about like the moment and the now.
I love it.
And so yeah, so Brooklyn Heights, May 29th. Jared, thanks again for doing the visual. You're the best.
What else? So where can they find you?
Spotify, Apple Music. The video will be up on IGTV and YouTube. You can find me on like Pandora, Deezer, iHeartRadio.
I'll put your stuff. I'll put
Google
something
Play, because I know some people still have Androids.
Me, I use Google Play.
But yeah, you can find the music everywhere.
Sweet.
Essentially, that music
right.
is available.
Thanks, man.
Videos is exercise too.
So if you didn't notice, I'm actually videoing my dad filming the video. And I'm probably going to be doing that the whole time it's rolling.
We'll go to the subway. But then you can't swear off.
Location 1 done. That is tiring. This is my first time doing a shoot with this whole setup. You see, I've never really shot with a monitor before, and I found myself in more and more situations where I just knew I needed a monitor, a bigger screen, and especially on a day like today, man, I'm so glad I have it, because when it's sunny like this, it's really hard to see on those small built-in display on the cameras. I saw a couple YouTube videos with some wedding videographers who used a similar setup, and then they threw on the handles, and I figured, nah, why not give it a try? So I'm actually really enjoying it, but it's heavy. Anyway, so far so good. We're going now to head to the next location. We're going to an old kind of abandoned subway here in Rochester. I've heard about it, but never been. Should be pretty cool. I'm sweating more than I want to. It's 55. I thought a hoodie would be okay. It's not at all. Everything's going great right now. Some of the settings, we're shooting this in 23.98, 24 frames a second, on all the singing parts, and some of the B-roll shots, those are all in 60 frames a second. And we're shooting this video all in 4K. Second location went good. We're just outside the abandoned subway area, so we're gonna head there now.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Taking a quick break for not really a good reason. The X-T4 here, it keeps stopping the recording after like a couple minutes. So not even, like a couple seconds. I don't know why. It's not hot. I'm getting no warnings. It says I have plenty of storage, 70 minutes left of recording. Turn it off for a little bit, restart it. I've never had this happen before. Go put your feet on the other side of that brace. So keep going. And then Ian, just scoot over.
What's up, guys?
Ian, keep scooting.
Where do we put the trains now?
I don't know. How do you think it's going so far?
Good.
You want to be in a music video? Shoot's going really well. X-T4 all fixed now. I'm also recording this in vLOG, which I usually do not record in vLOG. I love Eterna and shoot in Eterna most of the time, but I've been looking for an opportunity and the right reason to shoot in vLOG, and so far it seems to be going really well. Installed a couple LUTs on the little Atomos Shinobi, so even though I'm shooting in vLOG, you know, it still looks like Eterna. Anyways, well, my hand's getting tired. I'm gonna put this camera down. What are you doing up there? You falling asleep? All right, we're at one of the last locations. We actually made it down here in the subway. Gonna set this shot up. The guys are getting here in these archways. We'll see how it looks. The lighting in here right now, solid.
And we stand up on one of these like ledges, and we do the take with us both standing. So him on like one side shredding, and then me, and you can just keep moving around and grab like different angles down here.
Okay.
People started sampling.
Did you find a hammer?
Yeah, from hammer.
Excuse me. All right, come on, Tater. All right, subway shots, huge success. And I'm tired trying to climb up that. Anyways, subway shots went great. Look, Fuji shooters. Maybe you're watching this because you saw this was filmed with Fuji gear. I don't know, because of the tags. But If you're a Fuji shooter, have you ever shot a music video? If you're not a Fuji shooter, have you ever shot a music video? Link it down below if you can in the comments. I would love to go check it out and support you as well. But since I do have a lot of viewers that are from the Fuji kind of system, I am gonna make a quick comment about this X-T4 that I'm vlogging with. This is my first real vlog with it. Right now, the lens on it is the 16-55 f 2.8, but pretty much all day I've had the 14mm 2.8 prime. I had no idea how much I missed the flippy screen for vlogging, so we love that. In-body stabilization, absolutely love that. So for the most part, absolutely in love with this camera. However, things that are annoying, I hate these little flaps that cover the microphone and headphone jack, as well as the HDMI and USB-C ports. Hate them. So annoying. I loved how they were a door on the X-T3, and you can remove the door like I've done today, so I missed that. More testing to come. Have a video coming out soon on which lens I think is the ultimate vlog lens for the X-T4. So that's a little heads up into what's in store for you guys. All right, on to our last location, and I gotta charge this thing.
Yeah.
Camera? Turn it off? Did you? One cool thing about the city of Rochester is we have this incredible waterfall going right through the middle of the city. Because it's going right through the city, it makes for great photo and great video, because right behind the waterfall you have the city skyline. So here's the waterfall, but right behind it is, where is it? There it is. That's the original Kodak building. That was the headquarters where the office was and everything, when that was like one of the biggest companies in America. That was all founded right here in Rochester, New York. Pretty cool history. If you love cameras and videos and things like that, look up the history of Kodak, and it's just amazing to me how big of an empire they created and how quickly it pretty much crumbled. We're like 5 hours in, folks. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty exhausted. But we're here at what I believe is the last location, and they actually want to utilize the drone. So we're gonna get that out and get some of the shots of the guys over here. Even as Ian said, the cliche guys rapping from a car, but he's never done it, so we're shooting it. Thanks for the help, dude.
You're welcome.
What do you think of that new controller? You like it?
Yeah.
I just got the DJI Smart Controller about maybe like 2 weeks ago. Not even, like a week ago. It's easily the most underrated buy of the year. I had no idea how useful and practical that thing is. I don't miss using my phone or my iPad at all. Come on, dude. Just coming over here in the trees so we can find a place to hide.
Yeah, I know.
I think this will work right here. What do you think?
Behind here.
Hide behind this?
Yeah, behind the bench.
Let's sit here. How we film them over there? You can do this. I'm just gonna say it one more time. If you fly any of the Mavic 2 Pros, you gotta get this controller. There's no way it should be almost $800, but it's totally worth it. It's a wrap. Done. Finished. I'm tired. Xander and I are going to go get something to eat. If you would like to see the final video, it's going to be coming out on May 29th. If you'd like to give Ian a follow, I'll put his information down below. And also, I would love for you to follow me on Instagram or TikTok if you're interested. With all the videos you could be watching on the internet, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this one. I greatly appreciate it. We'll see you all in the next one, guys. Peace.
Okay, I'm reloaded. Coronavirus got us all losing our damn minds. Except for me, it's been a minute since I had mine. How many artists charting projects when they from the rock? Just pull up to the spot and get like 30 at the block. Wish I could grab a truck and move myself into the city. Was on the train and saw a shawty looking like